Hi guys, welcome to Taste and Season. Today we'll be making my family favorite turkey chili. If you guys want to learn how to make this turkey chili, please keep watching. To make this chili, you will need some celery, yellow onions, bell peppers, and also garlic. Extra lean turkey. It's already ground up. You can also use ground chicken or also ground beef. Two 19 fluid ounce cans of beans. I'm using kidney beans today and also black beans. What I've done here is I've just drained them, I've rinsed them, and I've just combined the two together. Diced tomatoes, but you could also use crushed tomatoes as well. Some corn, this is just frozen corn. Some chili powder, oregano, cumin, and also red chili flakes. You'll need chicken broth or chicken stock, some olive oil, and salt and pepper. The first thing you want to do is heat up a large pot over medium heat and add in the olive oil. Now that the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add in the ground turkey. Add in the ground turkey, break up the meat, and allow the meat to cook completely before adding in any of the vegetables. Next, add in the celery and onions. Cook the onions and the celery for about 3 minutes. You just want to soften them up a little bit, and then we can add in the spices. Now we can add in the spices. Give the mixture a stir just to combine all the spices, and then we can add the remainder of the ingredients. Add in the crushed garlic and cook for 1 more minute before adding in the rest of the vegetables. Next, add in the bell peppers. Add in the beans. Add in the diced tomatoes, the chicken stock, and add in the corn. Give the chili a stir and combine all the ingredients together. Now that all the ingredients have been combined into the chili, I'm going to place a lid over top of the pot and just allow it to cook for about 20 minutes over medium heat. Now that the chili has been cooking for about 20 minutes over medium heat, take out about 2 cups of chili and just place it into a bowl to blend. This step is optional. I like to do this just to make sure that the chili is nice and thick. This is the mixture that we're left with after blending. Just going to add that back into the pot. Give it a stir. Now I'm going to cook the chili over medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes until it thickens a little bit. The chili cooked over medium-low heat for about 15 minutes and then thickened. And now it's at this consistency and it's perfect. Now it's ready to serve. Alrighty, this is the recipe for today. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.